Replacing or installing new windows in your Clinton Township home can dramatically improve energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. However, ensuring the job is done right means relying on professional installation. Here's a customer-friendly, step-by-step guide to what you can expect during the window installation process, from your first consultation to final inspection. Initial consultation and in-home assessment. The process begins with a free, no-obligation consultation. A window installation specialist visits your home in Clinton Township to assess your current windows, discuss your goals, like boosting energy efficiency or updating your home's style, and recommend the right products. During this step, the installer will take accurate measurements of each window, discuss frame materials, glass options, and energy rating, provide detailed quotes for different product lines, answer any questions about warranties, financing, and installation timeline, product selection and custom ordering. Once you approve the quote and choose your new windows, the team orders your units directly from the manufacturer. Many professional installers work with leading brands, offering a wide selection of styles such as double-hung, casement, sliding, picture, or bay windows. Since most windows are custom-built to fit your exact openings, this step ensures a perfect fit and maximum energy savings. Expect a 2 to 6 week lead time for window production, depending on the season and your window style. Pre-installation prep and scheduling. When your windows are ready, the installation company will contact you to schedule the project at your convenience. Before installation day, they may advise you to remove blinds, curtains, and security sensors from affected windows, move furniture or fragile items away from the work area, secure pets and notify the installer about any access instructions. Professionals will arrive with the right equipment and materials, minimizing disruption and keeping your property clean. Professional removal of old windows. On installation day, the team begins by carefully removing your old windows. This step includes detaching trim and interior casing, extracting the old frame and glass with minimal wall damage, inspecting the rough opening for signs of mold, rot, or structural issues. If any problems are found, they will be repaired or stabilized before proceeding. This protects your home's structure and ensures your new windows perform as designed. Precision installation of new windows. Next, the team installs your new custom-fit windows using professional-grade tools and sealants. They will position and level the new frame inside the opening and secure it tightly using shims and fasteners. Apply waterproof flashing and caulk to seal the perimeter. Test the window's operation for smooth opening, locking, and closing. Every window is installed with attention to manufacturer specifications to prevent air leaks, moisture intrusion, and premature wear. Interior and exterior finish work. After the window is set, installers complete the job with finishing touches. Interior trim is reinstalled or replaced for a seamless look. Exterior cladding is applied to match your siding or exterior design. Caulking is carefully smoothed for weather resistance and neat appearance. This step ensures your new windows look great both inside and out while maintaining energy efficiency and weather protection. Final walkthrough and cleanup. Once all windows are installed, the team cleans up thoroughly, removing dust, debris, and old materials. They'll also walk you through each new window, showing you how to operate locks, screens, and tilting functions, clean and maintain different components, understand warranty and service information. You'll have the chance to inspect the work and ask questions before signing off. Enjoy the results. New windows enhance your Clinton Township home's comfort, style, and value. With professional installation, you're guaranteed long-lasting performance, excellent insulation, and beautiful results. Trusting a local expert ensures peace of mind from start to finish.